Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. According to United States Geological Survey, an earthquake of 4.7 magnitude felt in Panama. Depth of this earthquake is 10 km and this earthquake felt on Thursday, April 21, 2022. Local time is 6:26 am. Nearby towns and cities 9 km west and north of Limones. Weather at epicenter at time of quake, overcast clouds, 26.7 degrees centigrade, 80 Fahrenheit, humidity is 74% and wind is 2 meters per second from south. Primary data source is United States Geological Survey. Estimated release energy is 197 megawatt hours, which is equivalent to 169 tons. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates about earthquake. Thanks for watching.